Hello, this is Ron Parisi from CPA on Fire. We're an accounting and tax practice specializing in VCFO services for online entrepreneurs and businesses. Today, I want to talk about the stimulus bill, the new stimulus bill that came out in December 2020, aka PPP V2. And I just want to break this conversation very high level for entrepreneurs out there, for business owners. Kind of break this down in two pieces, sort of, what the bill addressed for the aid that was given in 2020, and then for 2021, what's available for our entrepreneurs and business owners. So, starting with the 2020, right? Those of you who received PPP loans, right? A couple of things where the original sort of automatic forgiveness was set at $50,000 loans or below. The new package has raised that up to $150,000. So if you received a loan for up to $150,000, it's just a one-page sort of automatic forgiveness. The big piece, the big unknown, was whether this PPP loan forgiveness was going to be taxable. They came out and said that the original loan, the forgiveness of the loan wasn't taxable, but maybe the expenses, the payroll and related expenses weren't tax deductible. Well, the stimulus package now says they are deductible. So essentially, if you received a $50,000 or $100,000, $200,000 loan, basically that is received tax-free. Okay, so that's really good news for entrepreneurs and business owners out there. I know a lot of our clients were really concerned about that going into the fourth quarter in their estimates. Okay, so now we have to look. Okay, what's 2021? Going to deliver for us, right? So there's really three things, right? The first is pretty simple. If you have an SBA loan, last year the federal government gave you 6 months of payments for free. So essentially they made 6 months of your SBA loans. The new stimulus package for 2021, they're going to give you another 3 months of SBA, both interest and principal paid. So that's a nice little bonus for those of us who have SBA loans. Number two is a second round of the PPP, where before all you had to have was employees to receive the PPP loan. Now the government's attached that to looking at revenue by quarter, and you had to sustain a 25% reduction in your top line revenue. It gets a little tricky there about what quarters and when you're comparing that to. So feel free to reach out to us and we can help you identify whether that's eligible, whether you're eligible for sort of the PPP round 2. And then the last piece is the most complex of all, and that's again for those of us who have employees, right? Whether it's called the employee retention credit, and you're eligible up to $10,000 per employee. And there's some complexity about who's going to qualify. But again, that's a really nice $10,000 per employee benefit. So again, know that 2020 PPP loans essentially are not taxable, and that the government has made it easier to get those forgiven. And then going forward, we have really two opportunities, the PPP V2 and then also the employee retention credit to take advantage of. We are CPA on Fire. You can reach us at www.cpaonfire. Please reach out if you're a current client. We're here for you. And then those of you who need some help navigating the waters, we'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much. This is Ron Parisi from CPA on Fire.